Welcome to another episode of Trash Talk. I am Rita Colau Osorio, and I work in the Language Access Program in the Office of Public Affairs.
Hi, and I'm Carlos. I work in the solid waste management program doing outreach and education. And I wanted to share some exciting news that's happening in the county. We are now starting textile recycling. Um, we're accepting that at the transfer station
Wow, that's so cool. At which one? At the 95 or at 66? What transfer station?
at 66.
Oh, great. Well, that's great news because now spring cleaning, clean your closets. I have tons of clothes to get rid of. So I can get rid of anything, any clothes,
Yep,
any.
pretty much any textiles that you have laying around that you no longer need. It can either be ripped, it can be torn, or even stained.
Oh, cool. So yes, look at this t-shirt. This t-shirt has lived a long life, but it's full of stains, so that's okay. And then how about it has like a waxy kind of seal in the back? Is that okay?
That is a-okay.
All right. Another thing that I love to do is cut the holes and stuff and use it as rags. So if I put some cleaning products and use it as rags, can I then dispose of these?
Yep, just as long as they're dry when it's time for you to drop them off at the transfer station, we'll accept it.
Oh, that's awesome. And why would we recycle clothes and not throw them in the trash?
Well, the way it's set up in the county is that those items will get burned, or if there's a problem with the incinerator, it'll get shipped out to a landfill really far away. And so that's just a lot of emissions, and it just takes a lot of energy to dispose of these materials. It also takes a lot of energy and water and other natural resources to produce textiles like uh, your clothes and stuff. Um,
Mm.
this program helps give your old textiles a second life, and if they're too worn out to give them that second life, they'll be recycled into fabric insulation or industrial rags.
Oh, wow. That's so cool. And we reduce our footprint, right?
Yep.
Great. Well, this is so exciting. So please tell us again, where can we recycle our textiles?
Yeah, so drop them off at the transfer station at 66. You'll see these containers where all the plastic recycling and other recycling is done there. Look for these containers that say Helpsy on them.
Helpsy.
Hmm.
Cool. Thank you, Carlos.
Thank you.